So we started a new project. Should have been keeping you up to date on this. I haven't pulled Kathryn's motor out, but we definitely think it's shot. I'm preparing for the worst and hoping for the best. So Kathryn's 318, as we know, back in August, blew a timing chain that I know of. And who knows what internal damage is done. So, to be proactive, I ended up getting another motor. Haven't been keeping you guys up to date because you guys know, wintertime, with as many kids as I do, all the birthdays come up real quick, everything else. So my life's been crazy since Halloween. After Halloween, you got 4 birthdays in November, plus you have Thanksgiving, then Christmas has got, or December's got, December's got my wife's birthday, Hanukkah, Christmas for the family, you know, New Year's, and then then after that it's just waiting for warm weather. So now here we are. We got ourselves a 318 that one of my friends freaking found on Marketplace, and the other 360. Friend, 360, yes. See.
Bloopers reel.
And then my other friend ended up getting it for me. So unfortunately, we started tearing down it without filming it. I'll show you what it looks like.
That's what you get for not filming it.
Well, we were also stupid drunk, and it would have been. So we got one of the heads already torn apart. We just need to clean it and scrub it.
For the bottom of that?
And then we have our crankshaft, timing chain cover, exhaust there. We got a new cam coming. We got an RV cam coming, so that's just in case. And we got a plethora of parts.
There's a boat.
There's a boat. And then we just have just the heads just sitting over here for us to scrub and clean and hopefully put together.
Scrub and clean, because all we know how to do it.
Yep, and then there's the other head. So we've already torn it. so we've already torn this thing down, and we're in the process of cleaning it and scrubbing it.
He's gonna find out that he's not gonna be able to use like half of this because we're just being idiots in the background.
It's okay. It's okay. But the mic's facing me, so your guys is like, eh.
Oh.
Like, oh, your voice is not good enough for my audio.
Oh, is that so?
No.
You sure?
No.
Replay this so you can see exactly what's happening.
I know exactly what's happening. You can barely hear you because I made that mistake when we were at the Jeep event for breast cancer. And I had the mic facing that way while I was talking, and you could barely hear me. It was great.
Dumbass.
No. Who wants to hear my voice?
I don't know.
Like all 350 of them? Yeah, my 6 followers. What's that one kid? Oh, podcast from Ghostbusters. You're my fun follower.
What do I use in the bottom of this? YouTube. What do I use?
All right. So we still need to do some scrubbing. I gotta get this bracket off. And we still have the camshaft bearings to pull out, and then I also have, let me rotate this thing around.
I seriously hope and I hope I'm
so, and I still have to pull this out. This is kind of stuck in there pretty good. Oh! Alright, so yeah, I was using one hand, you know, like most men.
You always use
But outside of it looking like it's been sitting for a long period of time, it actually looks really good. It's juicy. So
Maverick lost it. Fuck yeah.
So we're gonna spend the time scrubbing and cleaning this and getting it ready for paint and scrubbing and cleaning this. So we're just gonna fast forward all the good stuff.
Don't make her dirty. I like that dress on her. Even though I really hate the color yellow. But somehow she makes it work. Say hi, bye-bye.
Hi. Well, yeah, I've got
She's been making us work.
Cutest little girl ever.
It's been a long winter, but she's the breath of fresh air that we have in the house.
She looks so pale in this video, on camera.
It's because we haven't gone camping. It's been winter. Winter, I say. Winter!
What's Daddy doing?
Daddy's talking to the camera. You want to talk to the camera? Go hi. Go hi. Nope.
She don't care.
But you don't use the chips.
That's what Daddy's doing. Daddy's cleaning the water. So we can go, we can get the Jeep fixed and we can go fishing and go camping. We go fishing and camping?
You're asking the wrong child.
Like I said, I've got these wood chips. I just didn't know if they were hot enough or not.
Say hi.
Go hi, Ray.
That bruise.
Go hi, Ray.
That bruise on her cheek, though.
Her brother's been rude to her.
What happens with having older brothers?
Alright, so we got some stuff that we got to get off here. I rounded this off, so we're going to have to find another way to get this off. Because the engine mount goes here, even though the old engine mount was here. But the one for the Jeep uses this one. We're going to pull these out and just replace them, even though they look good. I'm just going to take, you know, it's been sitting for a while, so you can definitely see some rust in here. So, yeah, I got to do some clearing out and just get it all cleaned up. So, but yeah. I just sprayed everything, so everything's a little greasy, but we'll get everything all cleaned up and ready to go. And then we're going to get it prepped for paint.
You say this now.
So those are the camshaft bearings. Let me focus. There we go.
Wait, do you like fours?
They definitely seen better days.
I can drink any.
So we are replacing those, definitely. Alright, so after digging around, I started feeling something gummy inside the yellow jacket, so I pulled the freeze plugs and just grabbed this. Oh, look at this. What in the hell? What's all this shit? So we're gonna pull these out and clean out all of this. This looks yummy. Very yummy. So, yeah, we're gonna get this cleaned out and yeah. I mean, to be fair, I did throw a bunch of engine block cleaner in here, so who knows what this is all mixed up. But, oh yeah.
You know, most people would use an air compressor.
We have an air compressor. Can you pull it out?
It's full of it.
I know. Whatever this is, it's fucking nasty. It looks like freaking like
Sponge.
dog shit.
It's like dog shit. It feels like dog shit. That's all silicone feeling. Whatever's it's silicone. Sludge. It's. I just put my finger in it, it's not sticking to it. It's like a silicone sponge. Okay.
Well, there's silicone along the side of this. So.
There she goes.
Oh. Looks like clay.
Yeah, or silicone.
Something.
As soon as you drop it, it just vaporizes.
Well, it's full of freaking that engine block cleaner. Okay. We need... I don't know. This pick is gonna... Yeah, no, we need some pliers.
We don't find them.
Alright, so... We got the freeze plugs out, and... Yeah, look at that. We're still contemplating what the fuck it is. But it's not supposed to be there. That's for sure. Yeah. It's like a mixture of oil, mud, silicone, and now engine cleaner. So we're going to clean it all out. It doesn't look like it's, you know, the end of this motor. It just looks bad. We'll clean it all out and we'll adjust it from there. Alright, so we got all that water jacket nastiness taken care of. We're still going to do a flush. We don't have a pressure washer, so we need a pressure washer as this. The only thing left is that bearing, and we tried putting a socket through there and pushing it. It's not wanting to push, so we're trying to chisel it out. And you can see the aftermath there. It's not doing too well. So, if you guys have any, well, by the time I post this, I'll probably have this up and running, but probably an easier way of doing this, and I'm doing it wrong, doing it as redneck as possible. But, here, let me pull this. Or just by hand. So,
Until Dad's done recording. It's just next time my cord will be back.
doing this one-handed. Alright.
Hello.
So that, I mean, I can't see without the light very well, but it's no longer full of gunk. Everything, like I said, it needs to be pressure washed and scrubbed down and wiped down. But I believe, I mean, we got all the freeze plugs pulled out. There you go. There's no more. Oh, there's the hole. You can see from that light, no more gunk in there. But yeah, it was nasty. It's all over the ground now. It took forever to get it washed out. With Princess Pedro's help over there. Yep. But yep. So we got, it's all pretty much scrubbed clean. Just gonna wipe it, degrease it, get that bearing out of there, get that bracket off, and then get it prepped for paint. And then we have 2 heads to get ready and cleaned up and ready to go. So yeah, we'll just continue this as we go.